There's only like one jet in this whole thing. And the jet is over in the corner. It's one jet, like right here. One jet, y'all. But when you look up, I'm looking up at the silver. I wish it had more jets. The spa really was the last thing that they did. They did not think about the spa on the celebration. Magic, the Dream class ships got the best spa. Like what they do, the elevator that bring you here, but if I ever get on like, yeah, they probably put that elevator on accident and then try to turn it into like.
117th floor, we make that the same floor too. That's where they had an elevator right there, right in there anyway.
Yeah,
that's smart.
You gotta get that jet. Get the jet. Gotta go get the jet.
Huh?
I gotta get on this jet.
All those over there?
Yes, all the good jets right here. This is where, only place where the jets. Good when you lower that. Yeah, right here. And then back it up. It's real pretty. You see that? So Glam Crew, when you are on the Carnival celebration and you have a spa room, there is a secret elevator, and here it is. This is the secret elevator.
Whoa.
It only works with your sign and sale card. So if you don't have a card to get on the elevator, it's not going to work for you. And it will take you down to the spa. See, this is where you tap it.
Elevator to Cloud 9.
We're in the secret elevator.
Cloud 9 Spa. Or,
Show them the Glam Crew. All right, let's see what
That's
we're going to
fine.
up at. Come on, look,
wow.
look.
Everybody,
Oh,
welcome.
this is lit, man. Look.
What? This is the outside of the window. Got ourselves a spa and a pool.
No one's down here yet. Some more rooms out here, I think. Or are those massage rooms? Okay, Glam Crew, this is just a quick look through of the thermal suite. We'll come back, but this is cool. Okay, Glam Crew, we are back on our floor now, coming from downstairs at the thermal suite. Now let's go find our room. I am probably going to fast forward through all of this, but this is how we get to our room. Kind of in between these. Well, hi. Oh, so cute. Did you look at you? Oh, yes. See, I'm recording. You're good. Oh, hi.
So we both have zero package. That's
It looks very rich. My son said our room looks very rich. So we came in here and dropped off our bags. I love how the newer ship, because the new ship is the Carnival Festival. This is the Carnival Celebration, and they have the Carnival Jubilee, the Mardi Gras, all in the same class. So right here, it looks like a connecting door. You got like a little trash can over here, and then these are our bags. And then I love this TV. We can watch movies, because all the other ships we've been on Paradise, Magic, Conquest. Paradise, Magic, Conquest. Is that it? I think so, yeah. And the TVs be super small. So, got on my airport outfit. So this is what we got going on here, and we got like a cooler, not a fridge, but like a cooler. And I like to order water, especially for like the longer cruises, water. And we got plugs. I love these plugs. You got the USB chargers. Bam. Pencil note. You got your little telephone in there so you can call other rooms if you need to call other rooms. Order your room service, and room service is really cheap. Like, look at the prices of room service, y'all. Really affordable, and they are pretty quick. They are pretty quick. You have this little vanity chair and mirror. This opens up. So we're in a spa room. So we get some spa towels to take down in the little spa suite I showed y'all. And then this little vanity thing comes out and slides off, and it's a storage as well. And it looks like they tried to cover that up. Has some stains on there. And then right here, they put our beds together. Oh, looks like we got some stains over here too. What is this? So this is why I like to do room tours when I first come in, so you can see.
Speaking from a navigation bridge.
I use this for my own purposes too, so they can't say I damaged stuff.
Since the safety is our highest priority, I want to remind everyone about the importance of knowing what to do in the event of an emergency. All guests must complete their master process before sailing time. I want to thank those who have already completed this important step. If you have yet to do so, please go there now. In a short while, your cruise director Joey will be conducting the mandatory safety briefing broadcast, and I urge all of you to please pay close attention to the important information you're about to hear. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to see you this cruise. Ciao for now.
And under the bed, these beds sit pretty high. Not too high, but they do sit up high. I don't like this red stuff that's spilled on the carpet. I don't know what it is, but it ain't come from us. You got your air, and let me show y'all the bathroom. You got traditional hooks, nothing too super duper fancy. And here is the bathroom. You got the traditional hooks here. Toilet. It looks to be about the same size as typical Carnival bathrooms. This is what comes with the spa thermal suite. Then you got some cups to rinse. You got a mirror if you want to do makeup. And in the spa rooms, this is the type of soap that is used. I do love the glass door showers. There's no shower curtain. Yo, the floor be soaking wet when my son get out of the shower, because that little curtain don't do nothing at all. But here's the shower. It opens this way. Close it. Boom. And then you have your, this is like the upgraded luxury shampoo and shower gel in the spa room. So access to the spa suite is included with the room. Got hair in here. I might have to call them to come redo this, because yeah, what's this? What's that? What's that? Let me finish showing you all the room, and I'm gonna pull out my little light and investigate. And y'all know I gotta go through with my Lysol wipes and my Lysol spray. Oh, and I stopped by and got me 2 bottles of wine. It's 1 bottle of wine per adult, but who gonna check me? Hit it, Keith. Nobody. Okay, and then you got your ice bucket already in here. I didn't have to ask for that. It's already in here, but I might have to say something about this red stuff spilled, and because I don't like that. And I don't like what I see back in that corner. I'm gonna further investigate. Glam Crew, give me a moment. Okay, so I'll just be flicking lights on y'all. Boom, closets. You got a safe. These pull out. Put your stuff on it. Put it in there. That bottom drawer pull out. Same thing over here. Oh, and the spa room comes with robes. So you got your Cloud9 spa robe, 2 of them, and you get some slippers. And then if you want to pull these shelves down, just lift that up and this will come down. So if you're gonna set your bags up like that, or you can just snap it back into place. And this is the room. Pretty simple, pretty, ooh, they need to clean this mirror. Let me get my Lysol wipes and get the spray and clean it. I just might have to call housekeeping because I shouldn't even have to do all that. Yuck. Bye, Glam Crew. Thank you for watching my room tour on the Carnival celebration. I'm gonna do a ship tour and everything else further into the cruise, but right now I'm tired. I haven't slept in 24 hours. My feet hurt. I want to go relax in some water, and my son is probably tired of sitting there listening to me talk to y'all. Bye bye. Catch you next video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's steamy in here, Glam Crew, but it feels amazing. The steam is coming up. It's getting more steamy. It feels so amazing. And if you get too hot, sit in this little chair. The little chair might be hot. So turn the water on. Sit on cold. And just rinse your body off if you get too hot. It's really amazing. It's my favorite thing to do. But I wish that this water cold was over there. Hello. And there's cold towels in the little refrigerator. They probably got hot water. And I try to sit in here like 5 minutes. And right here, looks like steam is coming out right here. So it's like extra hot right here. Extra hot where the steam comes out. But after days of eating and drinking, you need this, your body needs it.
Okay, hi, let's see. How many of you were having facials today? Just 4 of us. So Lori, I took Lori, and then the first one was taken by Terry, and then so Felicia was already taken? Okay, so Bonnie, you're gonna be next because I think someone took the other guest. So she came to look.
So, there's only like one jet in this whole thing. And the jet is over in the corner. It's one jet, like right here. It's one jet, y'all. But when you look up, I'm looking up at the silver. But I like where the jet is. Oh, not mascara. I feel like I got a black eye. I don't know. It's my mascara. I wish it had more jets. The spa really was the last thing that they did. They did not think about the spa on the celebration. Magic, the Dream class ships got the best spa. Like what they do, the elevator that bring you here, but if I ever get on my, yeah, they probably put that elevator on accident and then try to turn it into like.
117th floor, we make that the same floor too. That's where that elevator right there, right in there anyway.
You gotta get that jet. Get the jet. I gotta go get the jet.
Huh?
I gotta get on this jet.
All those over there?
Yes, all the good jets right here. This is where, only place where the jets. Then when you go with that. Yeah, right here. And you back it up. It's real pretty.